Hi, I'm Julie Young. Welcome to Intro to Sociology. This is a 4-week class, so we're going to be moving very fast. Just to go over a few housekeeping items, look at your syllabus and go over it. There's also a calendar in your materials that will give you all the dates that are due because we will be moving fast. To give you an idea of some of the assignments, we're going to have 12 quizzes. We have 3 papers, and we have 2 discussions. So we're going to move quickly through that. As one of the things, if you're going to miss class, you need to be sick or have a death in the family, notify me of these things, either beforehand, if at all possible, or right the very next day, so that I can count on giving you some extra time there. But otherwise, if you're struggling getting your work done and let's say it's a Friday, let me know so I can help walk you through it. I can answer some of your questions. But as far as it goes, we'll try to keep on track. We also want to go over a few other things with the class. With sociology, I want you first to think of it as an investigation. If you've ever looked at a crime show, sociology can relate to it. If you're looking at an issue, maybe you're going to come up with the concept of, or you're going to hear people come up with the concept of why this happened or what's the issue. And you're going to have to ask the whys, the whats, the wheres to prove that. You may have to do some research. If you're ever out, just do some people watching. See what's going on and ask questions. I love to give the example of if you're at Disney World and you see a kid acting out, what's the reason? You may not know the true reason. You could also look at the hurricane that hit the mountains. We have a lot of sociologists that have went in to look at ways that we could improve helping others during hurricane situations, looking at reasonings that people didn't leave or weren't notified. And we're going to look at alternative ways that people could work through some things. How does the hurricane impact not just the people right then, but how can it affect maybe school children 2 years later? If you're still living in a camper or tent a year or 2 years after the storm and you've lost everything, that clearly will change